So these are two of the latest DJI drones. We've got the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. So they've both got the Pro name in them, and it makes a lot of sense why they're both Pro drones. The Mini 5 Pro, it's got all of the same kind of features really when we look at it compared to the Mavic 4 Pro. So yes, it's got master shots mode, it's got a rotate quick shot mode, which we saw as an exclusive offering brand new on the Mavic 4 Pro, but it came across to the Mini 5 Pro, right? We've got focus track, we've got active track, we've got active track 360, we've both got nightscape omnidirectional avoidance. They can both utilize this brand new smart controller here, which is honestly remarkable. Absolutely love this controller. They both work with the previous versions of the controllers as well. The big thing here is that the Mavic 4 Pro does have a tri-camera system. So if we just power that on, so we get that video feed coming through. But yes, we are getting a tri-camera system here. So it's got a micro four thirds camera system, which is the main camera system. You've got adjustable aperture, and then you've got a medium telesystem and a telesystem. So there's a lot going on. It's definitely the better offering if we are to compare it. There we go, so that's the feed that we get. One of the coolest things with this new controller is you can rotate to rotate the camera system. And you can do that on both of these drones. And again, this brand new controller works with the Mavic, the Mini 5 Pro and the Mavic 4 Pro. So if we look at the Mini 5 Pro, you can have this experience here exclusively, like the controller and the drone. You get the rotate mode, you have a really nice 1-inch sensor, which a lot of people have been very happy with. We've seen that 1-inch sensor previously on other products from DJI, but to have it on a mini drone is very impressive. Yeah, the Mavic 4 Pro has better presence in the sky. It can handle the wind a lot better. It doesn't attract as much attention from birds. It's got a triple camera system. It's got a lot of really impressive stuff, like the speed that this thing can fly at, the way you can handle it is better than the smaller drone for sure. But the thing that's quite interesting again is a lot of these modes, like the waypoints, you've got cruise control, you've got the gimbal rotation, which is this one on the back maybe. How have I got it programmed? This one here, so I can fully rotate the camera like so. Let's just angle it off maybe to this side. It's a bit hard to see. But yeah, it's really, really cool stuff, honestly. The fact that you can fully adjust that rotation right there, and you can do this on both drones. Both drones respond quite similarly. Now, I will say the Mini 5 Pro was getting a fair bit of attention from birds when I was flying it. It can handle the sky perfectly fine, no issues with that. But I did notice it would occasionally get some attention from birds. Also, the 1-inch sensor, like it's got a 2x zoom feature, which is the medium teler, but it's a mode, so it's digital cropping. Where on this guy we've got 3 distinctly different focal lengths, right? And so that medium teler system, which we've seen on previous drones, is phenomenal. That telephoto system is also amazing. Like you get crazy zoom out of it. So this is the powerhouse. This is the Pro, the flagship line, and you can tell just when you experience it. Like even this version here that I've got comes with built-in storage, 0.5 terabyte of built-in storage. It's a premium offering here, and it is the better experience. But what really impresses me is the Mini 5 Pro, because it does hold its own. It is a Pro drone. It has a lot of the same kind of features. The camera is great. It's passable for most people, most professionals even. Like I know a lot of people who use this for professional work, and it's no issues at all because it's a great camera system. It's a competent drone. It can handle any sort of condition, and those sensors as well are really, really solid on both of these drones. They've actually got, both of them have got LiDAR sensors. They've both got nightscape omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. So again, there's a lot of similarities here, even with a lot of the modes and features that we've got coming in on both drones. So yeah, this is something that is quite hard to actually judge for a lot of people. The Mavic 4 Pro is the one for the professionals out there, clearly. But you can still get away with this guy as a professional, and regardless of what you're going for here, it's a great setup. Both drones, really impressive. Love this new controller. Honestly, like this controller as a standalone, if you can get this, oh, you're going to be so happy with it. I love using this system, and works with either one, so whatever one you're going to go with. But yeah, that's what you can expect from the Mini 5 Pro or the Mavic 4 Pro. Both phenomenal drones, both offer something quite unique, but they're both still professional drones. Like, that's the thing that's so cool about them. They're both professional drones, even though one's significantly larger. I can't even unfold it because it's too big for this video right now, but yeah, so cool to see technology advance and what you can get out of these two drones.